Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making Mexican spinach dip. For our ingredients, we have cream cheese, sour cream, jalapeno, rotel, onion, spinach, extra sharp, cheddar cheese, salt, chili powder, and ground cumin. And preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, you want to mix together your cream cheese, sour cream, and jalapeno. Then you want to fold in your cans of rotel tomatoes. Next, you want to fold in your onion and your spinach. Then add your cheddar cheese. Next, you want to fold in your salt, chili powder, cumin, and mix until well combined. You want to spray an 8-inch square baking dish with non-stick cooking spray. Then you want to pour your mixture into the prepared baking dish, and you could bake anywhere from 20 minutes to 30 minutes, or until the edges are bubbling and the dip is golden brown. You can serve with tortilla chips or French bread. Thank you for choosing Baby We Eat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.